room. Must be outside. Hi, Melo. I wish you'd be more like a regular dog. You're fat, you're lazy, and you never play with me.
I'm not fat. I'm not lazy. I always play.
You finally want to play? Is it just because I said you were lazy? Never mind. Let's play. Let's play. Ugh, such a lazy dog. Now, go fetch. What? Go fetch.
No, I'm good.
Big whoop. Play for 10 seconds.
I'm never doing that again. Never. Although Elton's gonna be mad at me.
I thought you were gonna play. You also try to catch blimps. Just give up. Give up.
I could catch a blimp if I wanted to. I'll take a nap. Wait. I have a Superman cape on? Oh, yay! Do I hear a blimp? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, is it on the sky? Is it on the ground? Where is it? Where? The pilot looks like Naomi. And he's eating bacon? Oh. Where is it? Where is it? I have no idea. Yeah, I think it's a great idea. I'm gonna go up on the roof and catch the blimp. Right up there. Maybe if I close my eyes, I'll be up there. Oh my gosh, I'm up! 3, 2, 1.
Wake up, Mel. Time for the groomer.
No!
Sorry I was so mean earlier today.
The end.
The two actors.